what you did. It's Lion Pack be in the building. It's rated R. Censor all children. You don't want it with me, boy, I be a villain. I got 100 and I'm trying to make 1,000,000. I don't care, boy, I'm on my zeal shit. Fuck it, I'm on my bill shit. And that last name Clinton, Lewinsky head. You don't want it with me, boy, and I been a bread. Gingerbread, cook it in the oven. You know how I do it. Boy, I'm like Dusty Rhodes, old school wrestler. Fuck that. Fold your ass up like a pretzel, bro. Huh. And I can dip you in cheese. The shells hit your face and I bury you dead through your knees. Hit you in the mouth. Make you fucking bleed. You don't even want to die. Kill you when you sneeze or when you cough. It don't even matter. I keep the wood on me like I golf. Cut all the chatter. I whip the white cocaine batter. And you don't want it with me. Gun shells make it scatter. Everybody tell, everybody fucking snitching. So I come through and start clipping. Stop all the bitching. I don't give a fuck what you wishing. I come back, need my money like it's tuition. Fuck what you saying in your situation. Joe J, boy, I shoot no hesitation. Make your reservation for your denial. I don't give a fuck, boy, meet me on trial. Fuck the judge, it is a fixed jury. We don't give a fuck. Take me
freestyle
or Mari. It don't matter who the baby daddy. It's Joe J, carry the wood like a caddy. And you don't even see me, I'm a spider. Joe J, freestyle, I ain't a writer. I ain't a typer. Boy, but I speak well, and you don't want to meet me, boy, I beat bail. And I get an eye bond, cause my record is smooth, boy, and I fun. Anybody that get it, the guns on the run, and I run from the cops every time that they come. You don't want it with me, you hear the sound of the drum. 45 going off, boy, you
Joker
a bum.
Jones.
Nigga, I'm a spitter, fuck that a treasure. You don't want it with me, smoke kush, that's my pleasure. Fuck it, I'll come in some leather. Old school O.J. Simpson glove pleather. You don't even see me outside, boy, weather. Snowy, fuck that, boy, Leah holy. And that ain't the spirit. That be bullets in your chest, boy, hope you can hear it. Cut your ears off, boy, now you can't hear shit. I don't give a fuck about you, I'm mommy dearest. Beating the child up with that hanger, fam. You don't see Tanky coming up with the banger, man. I hope you run, cause you don't, boy, you better duck. If not, you're gonna get hit by a couple bucks. And that's some shots. Nigga got the pot green, it's loud pack, boy, a couple blocks we ran on, boy, you know how we do. It's Joe J, I'm the hit of my crew. I told you last time, GMC, how we do, Get Money Cartel. Fuck that, boy, you know how that car smells. It's like Kush, it's loud, you can't put it out. Fuck that, boy, put the chopper straight in your mouth, see what you really bout. And when you crying, fam, all the lies, man, catch you drying, man. At the laundromat, I guarantee that the prize, man. Chopper come out, and that's a surprise, fam. And I'm high rise, man. Fuck it, connected like I'm Verizon. Can you hear me now? Put your glasses on. I don't care, boy. Get my fucking Judge Mathis on. Court shit. You don't want it with me, I squirt shit. Fuck that, I come back, I throw up the forks, bitch. GDN, that's what I represent. And if you don't like it, you can sit up on the bench. Fuck that, nigga, I be packing. And I coach teams like my name Phil Jackson. Running with me, boy, I be coming like a sax, man. I blow that tuba, loud sound. You don't want to see me in a ruler. I told you once before that the scale on the side, put the weight on the scale, guaranteed that we ride to make that drop off. Somebody want to snitch, get the chop out the back of the trunk and blow his top off. Nigga, never scared to pop off. And if you want it with me, give me the hacks, I knock the lock off. Joe J. Loud Pack, you know how we do.
Yeah, everybody in this bitch. More to come.